How to change language in Quotex application. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you're looking for a way to make your app easier to understand in your own language for Quotex, then the process is quite easy, so let's jump in. First of all, launch open the Quotex application on your device. You can either use it on your smartphone or tablets and log into your account. Once you're inside, you'll see your main dashboard. Now go to the menu icon, which is located at the top left, and once you tap on that, you'll see this expanded menu. Click on Account from the left. Inside My Account tab, scroll down and look for the language drop-down and tap on it. Now you'll see a couple of different language options available. Select the one you want to change to. Right after you do that, your application will restart in the selected language. That's it. Now your Quotex app is in your preferred language, making everything much easier to understand. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.